A guy rolled into my driveway last month convinced his transmission was dying. Grinding sound. Won't shift right. He had a $2,400 dealership quote on his phone. Took me 4 minutes and 1 can of WD-40 to fix it for free. That's the kind of secret dealers hope you never learn. Today I'm handing you 17 more, counting down to the biggest money savers, so stick around, because trick number 9 alone has saved my customers thousands. Trick number 17. Free a seized parking brake cable? You go to release the parking brake, and the car just sits there like it's glued to the driveway. That cable has corroded or frozen solid inside its housing, and it's gripping your rear brakes like a pit bull that won't let go. Think of it like a garden hose that's been sitting kinked in the same spot for 3 winters straight. The rubber and metal inside just give up. Most guys assume the worst and start pricing a new cable, which runs anywhere from $100 to $300 installed depending on your vehicle. Before you do that, find where the cable runs along the underside of the car. Spray WD-40 generously into the housing openings and let it soak for several minutes. Then cycle the brake on and off while gently rocking the car. That vibration helps the WD-40 work its way deeper into the corrosion and breaks the bond loose. Once it frees up, give the whole run 1 more coat so moisture can't creep back in and refreeze it, especially if you live somewhere with heavy winter road salt. $0. Zero tow truck. Just a can of spray and 5 minutes of patience. Trick number 16. Restore faded rubber floor mats. Your mats look cracked, gray, and permanently dirty even 5 minutes after you rinse them off. That's because mud, salt, and grime have worked their way so deep into the rubber that water alone can't touch it. It's like trying to wash motor oil out of a sponge using nothing but a garden hose. After hosing them down and letting them dry a bit, spray a light coat of WD-40 across the surface and spread it evenly with a rag. It seeps into the rubber, restores flexibility, and pushes out grime that's been baked in for years. Wipe off the extra, let them dry completely, and lay them back in. They'll look dark and new again, almost like the day they came out of the box. The same trick works on trunk liners and cargo mats too, so don't stop at the floor. And here's the bonus. The thin layer left behind repels moisture, which means your next cleanup will take half the time. Trick number 15. Clean your mass airflow sensor. Engine feels sluggish. Throttle response feels delayed, like the car is thinking about it before it actually moves. Fuel economy has quietly dropped and you can't figure out why. 9 times out of 10, it's your mass airflow sensor, coated in oily film and dust, feeding your car's computer bad information. Picture it like trying to read a thermometer through a foggy window. The sensor's still there, it just can't see straight anymore, so it's guessing. A brand new sensor costs anywhere from $80 to over $300 depending on the make. Before you spend that, remove the MAF sensor from the intake housing. Usually just 2 screws and a connector clip. Mist it lightly with WD-40 across the wires and sensing elements. Let it sit about 60 seconds. Then wipe it gently with a clean, dry cloth and let it air dry completely before reinstalling. I mean completely dry because a wet sensor going back in will trip the exact same check engine light you were trying to clear in the first place. This one trick alone has saved my customers a diagnostic visit more times than I can count, and it costs about $4 in spray. Trick number 14. Free up stiff window tracks. Your window grinds and hesitates every time you roll it down, and it gets worse the colder it gets outside. Dust and dried grime pack into those narrow rubber channels until the glass is practically dragging through mud every single time you touch the button. A window regulator replacement runs $150 to $300 at a shop. Here's the kicker. Most of the time, the regulator was never the actual problem. The motor's fine. It's just fighting a dirty track. Lower the window halfway. Spray WD-40 straight into the exposed track on both sides. Then run the window up and down slowly several times to spread it through the whole channel. What was grinding now glides silent. For long-term care, follow up with a silicone spray to keep the rubber soft and prevent it from sticking again. Don't skip the back windows either, since those get neglected even longer than the front ones. In winter especially, a frozen track can crack your glass if you force it, so one quick spray now keeps everything moving all season long. Trick number 13. Coat your car paint for protection. Your paint takes a beating every single day from bird droppings, tree sap, road tar, and bug guts. And any one of those can etch straight into your clear coat if it sits too long baking in the sun. A basic respray on one panel alone can run you $300 to over $1,000, and that's before you even talk about matching the paint code. After a wash and full dry, Mist a light coat of WD-40 onto one panel at a time and buff it in evenly with a microfiber cloth. It leaves behind a deep, wet-looking shine and a thin film that makes future grime slide right off instead of baking in and etching the clear coat. It's not a replacement for wax or ceramic coating, let's be honest about that. But between full details, it's one of the most underused tricks sitting in a detailer's whole kit. Focus most of your attention on the hood and front bumper. Those two spots absorb the worst of the highway debris at speed, and a fresh coat there can literally buy you time before your next full detail. Trick number 12. Free up a stiff seatbelt. Your belt sticks halfway through the pull, snaps back uneven, or fights you every time you try to buckle up. That's not just annoying. That's a genuine safety concern, because a belt that won't retract properly might not hold the right tension in a crash. Dealership replacement runs $200 to $500 per belt, and most shops will tell you the whole retractor assembly needs swapping. Pull the belt out to full extension and run a clean cloth dampened with a light mist of WD-40 along the entire length of the webbing. Then let it retract slowly several times. It loosens built-up grime, frees the internal spring mechanism, and restores that smooth, consistent pull and retract you had when the car was new. Do every belt in the car while you're at it, since if the driver's side is stiff, the others usually aren't far behind. It's a 5-minute job that can spare you a few $100 and keep that belt actually doing its job. Trick number 11. Clear up a hazy windshield. That smeared, oily film on your windshield turns every set of oncoming headlights into a blinding starburst at night. And that's not just annoying. That's genuinely dangerous when you're already tired behind the wheel. Road exhaust, silicone vapor drifting off your dashboard, and general residue build a layer that plain water will never fully wash away. Spray a light coat of WD-40 across the glass. Spread it evenly with a microfiber cloth. Wait for about 30 seconds, then wipe it fully off with a clean, dry cloth. What comes off will honestly surprise you, and what's left underneath is clear, smooth, and slick enough that rain sheets straight off instead of smearing across your line of sight. Wipe your wiper blades down at the same time while you've got the can out, and your next drive through a storm will feel like you're driving a completely different car. Real quick before we keep going, I know your time matters just as much as your money, so I'm not going to waste either one with fluff. Everything in this video is a real trick pulled straight from a working shop floor, not something some intern dreamed up for clicks. This channel exists to keep your cash in your pocket instead of some dealerships. If that sounds like your kind of channel, go ahead and subscribe right now so you don't miss the next one. All right, let's get back under the hood. Trick number 10. Clean and restore your tires. Your tires carry that dull, brownish film that no amount of water rinsing ever seems to remove, no matter how hard you scrub. Brake dust, road tar, and rubber oxidation cake onto the sidewall and make the whole car look neglected even when it's freshly washed and vacuumed inside. Spray WD-40 onto the sidewall and work it in with an old cloth or a detailing brush, really getting into the grooves and lettering. It cuts through the oxidation and tar in seconds, lifting off that brown layer to show the deep black rubber sitting right underneath the whole time. Wipe off the extra and the difference is instant. Tires that look darker, cleaner, and freshly detailed. Plus a barrier that slows the browning from creeping right back between washes. A clean set of black tires alone can make an entire car look $1,000 sharper, and it costs you about 2 minutes per wheel. Trick number 9. Clean a gunked-up gas cap. Your gas cap has probably not been touched in years. It's a lot filthier than you'd guess if you actually stop to look at it. Spray WD-40 generously around the threads, the underside of the cap, and the sealing ring. Let it sit for a minute to cut through the buildup before wiping it down with a clean microfiber cloth. The formula dissolves hardened grime, lubricates the threads, and restores a clean seal that snaps tight every single time you close it. Add a light follow-up coat before you screw it back on, and the cap will turn smoothly, seal properly, and stay clean for months. Do this every few months, and you'll likely never see a fuel-related check engine light again. And that matters, because most people burn hundreds of dollars chasing that light through a full diagnostic when the actual fix was sitting in their garage the entire time. It's a 2-minute job that keeps a check engine light from ruining your entire morning. Trick number 8. Remove sticky residue inside. Nothing tests your patience like finding gum mashed into the carpet or melted crayon baked into the seat on a hot summer day. Kids, snacks, and summer heat are the perfect recipe for a sticky mess that seems flat out impossible to clean, no matter what you throw at it. Scraping only spreads it around, and most household cleaners barely make a dent in the mess. Spray a small amount of WD-40 directly on the affected spot and let it sit for about a minute. The formula breaks down waxes, sugars, and adhesives right at the base. Then use a plastic scraper or a soft cloth to lift the residue. For fabric seats or carpets, blot instead of rubbing, to avoid pushing it deeper into the fibers where it'll be even harder to reach. Once it's gone, wipe the area with a damp cloth and mild soap to remove any leftover film. It works like magic on vinyl, leather, and upholstery without leaving damage or discoloration behind. Trick number 7. Condition wiper blades. You flip on the wipers. Instead of a clean sweep, you get streaks, squeaks, and chatter dragging across the glass. That's dangerous, not just irritating. Heat, sun, and dirt dry the rubber out over time, making it stiff and uneven, like an old rubber band that's been sitting in a junk drawer for a decade. Most people replace the blades right away, but you can often bring them back to life in seconds for free. Lift the wipers off the windshield. Clean them first with a damp cloth to remove dirt and grit. Then spray a bit of WD-40 onto a soft cloth and wipe it along the rubber edge from one end to the other. The formula reconditions the blade, restores flexibility, and removes the oily film that's been causing every one of those streaks. Once you're done, wipe the windshield clean to remove any residue. You'll notice quieter, smoother sweeps the very next time it rains. Trick number 6. Protect electrical connectors. Your car's electrical system works like its nervous system, and one bad connection sends the entire thing haywire in ways that feel completely random. Moisture and dirt sneak into plugs and sensors, corroding the metal pins inside. The next thing you know is your dashboard lights up with warning codes for no clear reason at all. Whenever you unplug a connector, whether it's for headlights, sensors, or ignition coils, give it a short spray of WD-40 before you plug it back in. It drives out trapped moisture and leaves behind a thin film that blocks future corrosion from taking hold. Do the same for battery terminals, fuse box connectors, and trailer plugs if you tow anything. For long-term protection, follow up with a bit of dielectric grease on the contact points. That combo keeps electricity flowing clean and steady, saving you from chasing mystery electrical faults for weeks. Think of it as cheap insurance. One quick spray today can prevent a $1,000 headache tomorrow. Trick number 5. Keep fuel door hinges and latches moving. You press the fuel door button and nothing happens. You tug it open by hand, and it feels completely stuck, like it's welded shut. Dirt and moisture build up inside the hinge and latch mechanism. The buildup hardens over time, stopping the spring from releasing properly. Eventually, the spring can fail completely. People end up prying it open with a screwdriver, bending the hinge, or snapping the latch clean off in frustration, which turns a $5 fix into a body shop visit. Open the fuel door and spray a small amount of WD-40 on the hinge, latch, and spring mechanism. Let it sit for a few seconds. Open and close the door several times to work it in. Wipe away any extra residue with a cloth. The formula breaks up grime, frees movement, and leaves a protective layer that prevents rust from forming again down the line. Do this every few months, especially before rainy or winter seasons, and you'll never fight with that little door again. Trick number 4. Clean and protect engine bays. Pop the hood, and years of grime, grease, and road dust stare right back at you. It's one of the dirtiest parts of any car, and most people are flat out afraid to touch it. But here's the secret to a clean, showroom-worthy engine bay without a single trip to the detailer. Wipe down the surfaces with a damp cloth. Lightly mist WD-40 over plastic covers, hoses, and metal parts. Wipe off the excess and step back. Instantly, everything looks refreshed, darker, shinier, and cleaner than it has in years. But it's not just about looks. WD-40 forms a thin protective film that repels moisture and prevents corrosion, keeping your engine bay cleaner for a whole lot longer than you'd expect. It's the final touch detailers rely on before a sale or a show, and it takes less than 5 minutes to pull off that professional finish yourself, in your own driveway, for the cost of a can of spray. Trick number 3. Eliminate dashboard creaks and interior squeaks. You're cruising down the road, and suddenly that faint rattle from the dashboard starts again. Soft, persistent, and maddening. It feels like your car is mocking you every single mile. It's not a major issue. The culprit is dry plastic joints rubbing together as the cabin flexes over every bump and pothole. Here's how to silence them like a pro. Spray a bit of WD-40 on a clean microfiber cloth, never directly on the dash itself. Wipe along the seams, vents, and plastic meeting points. The The formula lubricates those contact edges, reducing friction and conditioning the material at the same time. Within seconds, the squeaks disappear, leaving your interior calm and quiet again, like it should be. As a bonus, it restores a subtle sheen to plastic trims without leaving behind any greasy residue. Mechanics and detailers do this before every delivery. Now you can enjoy that same new car silence every single time you drive. Trick number 2. Bring back wiper efficiency. Rain starts pouring. You flip on the wipers. Instead of a clean sweep, you get streaks and chatter dragging across the glass right when you need visibility the most. Wiper blades lose their grip over time as dust, oil, and road film build up, turning smooth rubber into sticky grit that fights the glass instead of gliding over it. Spray a small amount of WD-40 on a microfiber cloth. Wipe along the length of each blade. Then clean the windshield itself the same way to clear off any leftover film. This formula dissolves residue, restores flexibility, and lets the blades glide effortlessly again like they did on day one. You'll notice the difference immediately. Crisp, silent wipes and crystal clear visibility even in heavy rain. It's the same quick trick detailers use before handing back a car that just came out of service. And now it's your secret weapon every time the skies open up on you. Trick number 1. Revive dead spark plugs. Here it is, the big one, the one that saved more people from a tow bill than anything else on this list. You twist the key and all you get is a click. Maybe a weak cough from the engine. No roar, no spark, just dead silence. And your first instinct is to panic and call a tow truck. Don't do it yet. 9 times out of 10, this isn't your battery at all. Moisture has crept into your spark plug wells and it's short-circuiting your ignition system. Rain, humidity, or even a quick engine wash can leave trapped water sitting right where your spark needs to fire clean. Pop the hood, grab your WD-40, and spray it directly into the plug wells and over the ignition coils. The formula drives out every drop of moisture, coats the metal, and restores clean conductivity right where it matters most. Wait about a minute, then turn the key again. Your engine will roar back to life like it never failed you in the first place. And you'll be sitting there wondering why you almost called a tow truck over $4 of spray. If you live in a humid or coastal area, make this a monthly habit. A quick spray keeps your ignition dry, prevents misfires, and saves you from an expensive tow you never actually needed to begin with. And that's a wrap. These are real shop-tested fixes that can save you money, time, and unnecessary trips to the mechanic. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite tip, or tell us another clever WD-40 trick you've discovered. And if you want even more uses that most drivers have never heard of, watch our next video. Hidden WD-40 tricks mechanics don't want you to know. Just click the video on your screen or use the link in the description. Drive smart, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next one.